Hey guys, if you don't eat breakfast, or maybe you've been doing intermittent fasting and maybe you're trying to break away from that, but you don't want to eat like a thick, hearty breakfast, or maybe you just need a post-workout shake, I'm going to show you guys today right here. This is something that's going to help power not just your muscles and give you guys enough protein for the day, but this is going to really focus on things for the brain. So certain compounds inside of here like L-dopamine, you guys know about dopamine, right? Serotonin, tryptophan, anandamide. Anandamide's a bliss cannabinoid endorphin. Phenethylamines basically rewire your brain literally, and they give you this feeling of deep focus, concentration. They allow you to have better memory recall, and it does all this without stimulating your nervous system. This is super important. And so I'm going to show you guys how I make this. This is something I don't have every single day, but it's something I have about 4 to 5 times every single week. All right, guys, I just got through training, and I'm going to make me a little smoothie. In the past, if you're training a lot, you know that you've got this like short glycogen window and you just want protein and sugar, no carbs, no carbohydrates. I've kind of abandoned that because I'm not really trying to grow my body so much. I'm trying to keep healthy and fit. So this is a shake that I make that is more of like a multi-nutrient shake. It's a shake that has all types of different adaptogenic herbs inside of it, mushrooms, things like collagen, but also rooted in animal-based type proteins like raw milk, my fermented kefir. And the reason why my kefir is this color is because I do a secondary ferment with a few herbs. Got a video that you guys can watch. You can see that whole process. This is a very powerful tool that everyone needs in their kitchen. Let's get started, all right? This is super simple. So basically just take a little bit of raw milk. It looks like I put about 400 milliliters of raw milk in here. So this is our mProtein at Crucial 4. This is a phenomenal protein. It took me years to find this. This is Amish goat whey. Okay, this stuff is the lowest in heavy metals of any protein I've ever found. 15 years in the industry. Show me a protein powder. The pea protein loaded with heavy metals. Most of the cow whey really upsets my stomach, and we do a split with our 100% grass-fed collagen protein. So you're able to get collagen and goat whey in here. This is the original formula. So I do I just do 4 scoops. And I know these are heaping scoops, but you don't have to do that. That's just how I roll. So do 4 scoops of that. And then I love adding a little bit of chocolate. So I'm about to go into my work day. And so I love chocolate over caffeine and coffee. And chocolate actually increases blood flow to the brain. Chocolate helps stimulate stem cells in the body. It's got anandamide, which is a bliss cannabinoid endorphin. It gives you the feeling of being in love, actually. It's got 7 different types of phenethylamines. These phenethylamines help you with focus, concentration. You ever heard of the flow state? This puts your brain chemistry literally in flow state. This type of cacao that we have here, this is a very special cacao. And we don't just use cacao powder in here, we use cacao nibs as well. It's part of my secret in my formula here. But this, guys, is loaded with adaptogenic herbs. The serving size on this is 3 tablespoons, but since I'm making all this, I just do 2. In breakfast also has spirulina in it. It's got, as said, medicinal mushrooms. It's got a very special herb in it known as mucuna purines. Mucuna purines is one of the highest herbs in L-dopa. So think about dopamine, right? So when you have something like cacao that's got serotonin, anandamide, phenethylamines, these brain boosting molecules inside of it, and then you add herbs like mucuna purines to it, now you're really creating a synergistic formula for your brain. It's also going to be loaded with fats, carbs, and proteins. So this is it. And then to top it off, we're going to use a little bit of this raw milk secondary fermented kefir. And I just put a little bit of this. This stuff is super powerful. So I just do like a little scoop like that, like so. And again, if you guys want to watch that video, you can check it somewhere in my feed. It's there. I'm gonna add some berries. So I've got a few berries that I just noticed were looking kind of funky. The kids were trying to eat it this morning and I kind of pulled it from them. It looks like these are actually all pretty good. Maybe Dad was being a little too cautious. Nope, there's one, there's another one. And as you guys know, getting fresh berries is totally a bruiser. You know, they go bad real quick. So I usually leave the bad for me. I know there's probably some in here that aren't perfect, but I'd rather consume them than my children. Those are going in. The next thing I like to add is some electrolytes. And this is our ocean extracted electrolyte powder here. This is called mHydrate. This is basically got the same numbers as LMNT. I know you guys know about LMNT, and I don't know if you guys are aware of this or not, but that stuff is loaded with maltodextrin, natural flavors. There's no flavorings in here. This is our world-class Icelandic sea salt, and an ocean extraction that has high magnesium, potassium, phosphorus, calcium in it. So you're able to get that exact electrolyte balance that you need. And then today I'm adding a little bit of extra sauce. This is pearl powder. This helps kind of soften my nervous system. This also helps for your skin complexion, liposuction, skin spots. It's great to help you get good sleep. And then I've been playing with a little bit of creatine, so I'm adding this in. I'm gonna probably bring this on the product line. And that's typically it. Sometimes I might add a little bit of honey, or today I've got my mNectar here. This is a low glycemic sweetener, and it comes from the nectar of the coconut sap. And I don't know if you guys will be able to tell when I pour this out, kind of go slow. See how white that is? Every single coconut nectar or coconut sugar on the market is brown, and that's because it's oxidized, it's overheated, and this can actually cause a glycemic spike. So it acts almost exactly like sugar, no matter what they tell you. But this is a super gently dried coconut nectar. This is phenomenal, guys. This is a 35 on the glycemic index. It's also got some electrolyte benefits as well. There's some minerals in there, a little bit of B vitamins. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna take it, so I'm blend it up, and I'll let you guys see what it looks like. All right, guys, check this out. Oh, it's one of my favorite parts of the day. So I do eat breakfast in the morning, but that's not what this video is about. It's about this shake. But if anyone's asking, this is not my first meal. This is actually my second little snack before I have a nice big lunch. I try to get most of my nutrition in before 6 o'clock. In the afternoon, I found that if I can eat around 6 o'clock, that my resting heart rate will drop pretty low at night and I'll get a little bit deeper sleep. But here it is, guys. See, I didn't measure it and it came out perfect. I guess I've been doing this a long time, so maybe that's why, but bon appetit. That's it. Cha-ching.